Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a functionality in Mesh Morpher which allows us to unpack rig logic data, RBF data to Unreal Engine assets so we can go ahead and customize the correctives for our poses. So in order to do that we need to open the mesh in Mesh Morpher, go to poser, and if we have a DNA asset associated with the mesh we will have this unpack rig logic button here, right? So before going forward, let's do one thing. Let's open our mesh. 1 second. Let's open our mesh and search for our post-process blueprint. Okay, and we will duplicate this post-process blueprint and we will work with it, right? I'm gonna rename this and I'm gonna call this custom. Let's save it. And now let's go to poser. I'm gonna disable pause process just to see that our pose is the same, and I'm gonna go ahead and unpack the rig logic data, right? So I need to select a custom post process animation blueprint, and I need to select the unpack RBF to pose assets. I'm gonna leave the rest unselected. I don't need that. I just need the RBF data, right? And now I can go ahead and click OK. It will ask me where to save the pose drivers, and I'm gonna save them to pose drivers data in this folder, the to pose drivers folder, and in this folder we will have the pose assets and animation sequences created for this, right? So I'm gonna click save. Okay, and now our pose driver data is saved. You can see everything here, right? Let's go to our custom post process blueprint. And here we will see again our post driver data. 1 second. Here, these are procedurally generated nodes, and maybe you want to arrange them a little bit because there are so many of them. But it's up to you what you do with them. Now, what we need to do is we need to associate our custom blueprint, right? Let's associate this. And we will see our pose slightly change, right? We will see immediately in poser. Let's close this. Actually, let's leave it open. We will see that our pose, neutral pose, it doesn't look the way we want, right? So let's do one thing. We need to go with poser, and we need to load animation blueprint, and we have to select our custom post-process blueprint, and I'm gonna load only the rotations, right? At this point, you want to customize your poses, fix them, do whatever you need to do for each pose. There's another tutorial on how to use the pose driver editor in Mesh Morpher, and I'm not gonna cover this in this video. It's up to you. I want to do another thing. I want to remove these finger poses because we're not gonna mess with this. And I'm gonna remove this from the pose driver editor. So when we export, we don't export with them from here. Let me remove this. We don't need this. We just want to play with the big bones poses, right? We want to correct those only. Let me remove these bones here. Okay. Okay, so now we only have the poses that are related to our character, basically, right? The main bones, right? So I'm just gonna reset this, And now I can generate new data, right? And I'm gonna click on generate. I'm gonna select the custom blueprint and click OK. Let's save. Okay, and now we will see that our pose is not anymore messed up. We have everything working correctly. All poses are 100% in the neutral pose here. Our nodes are 100% in the neutral pose. And let's save this. And now we can go ahead and have custom poses for our custom meta humans the way we want without working in Maya or any other third-party software, just by working in the engine, right? So I think this is it for our experiment here. You can go ahead and have all the correctives you want for your poses, and I hope you enjoy this functionality, and see you around. Bye.